What is going on, patrons? Since we are not doing a grabbing beer with the garage this weekend, I thought I would throw together a quick video to show you the prize pack that Scott won for winning the car show, which is by far the biggest prize pack that we've done so far, but it will not be the biggest prize pack that we do. So stay tuned. There's going to be some more drawings coming up very soon. And there's some pretty cool stuff here. I mean, we obviously know that we've got the baby turbo, the T411. It's got 68 AR on the back end, 70.70 on the front. This was the one as Project Super Auto. Has probably about 5 miles on it at the most. About $400 turbo, pretty good condition. Of course, we've got a nice conical air filter that goes directly on it. We've got the elbow that goes from the outlet to a 3-inch pipe. We have the LSX style oil filter adapter. And then we've got all kinds of braided hose with multiple check valves, probably about $200 worth of hose fittings and check valves in there. We've also got the blow-off valve adapter that's going with it. One of the last Lambda hats. So I think there's maybe one left. I don't know. And that might be the next drawing because there's only 10 of them made. I've got one, my sister-in-law's got one, and the rest I've given away. One of the new Goat Rope Garage koozies. This is the new design. This is the new professionally printed one. Has the ABT Always Be Tuning on the back with the web addresses for both the Goat Rope Garage and tuning101.com. Everybody that was a part of the car show will be getting one of these, so keep your eyes peeled in the mail. And then, of course, we've got a Tuned by Me decal, a circle decal, and a 5-pack of the sweet Goat Rope Garage coasters for the full package. If you guys would like to see a package deal, maybe this part right here for a discount, let me know. I could throw one of those together and throw it up on the decal shop. Might be a cool idea. But as I said, all new patrons will get this design. They come in 4 different colors. So I'm very impressed by how it turned out. It looks really, really good. Feels nice. And then, boom, one of the first, if not the first sweatshirt. I'm not going to completely unwrap it, but it's the one that says ABT on the back. He got it in this sweet royal blue. Ugh, I had to order mine whenever I saw this. Ordered one for me and Mrs. Goat Rope. I think TJ's maybe ordered one. Somebody else has ordered one. If it's you, chime in below. Tell me what you think about it. But, man, these look so good. Oh, I'm such a fan. So, given everything, we've got probably $600–700 worth of merch that's going out to Scott this weekend. Scott, keep your eyes peeled, is probably going to come in 2 boxes so I don't mix up the clean stuff with the dirty stuff. Just a heads up on that one. So don't be surprised if you get a package and not everything's in there. It is all coming, and thank you for your patience. I kind of wanted to get everything together so I could do a little quick video, show the rest of them what you won for that sweet El Camino on the car show. If you haven't seen it already, go down, check it out. It is in the posts on the Patreon. I also want to say that I have gotten in the new decal for the long-term patrons. So if you are getting ready to hit the 6-month mark, which is a few of you should be, keep your eyes posted there too, because there's a cool special little decal with the logo on there that says long-term patron. And it's just a way of me saying thank you to you guys who've been around since the beginning, or the guys who've stuck with it for at least 6 months. So, you know, whenever we get to the point of hitting the year mark, I'll do something maybe a little bit bigger for the guys that have been here for a complete entire year. So you guys make the channel possible. More than anything, the patrons are what drive this. So once again, congrats to Scott for this awesome prize pack. I'll be working on building out another prize pack with some cool stuff in there. So keep your eyes peeled as always. Keep your eyes peeled for the impromptu ones like the 30-minute giveaway that we just did. And as I said, I think we got one more hat left. So maybe next week, maybe we'll do some kind of competition or drawing to get rid of that last hat. So I know that a couple of you would like to snag one of those. So ABT, guys, always be tuning. Have a great weekend.